To hide notification from the notification panel when Do Not Disturb is on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification and then tap Do Not Disturb. Tap hide notification. Under when the screen is on section, tap the gray on off switch next to hide from notification panel until the switch turns blue to turn it on. As note, when you enable this option, it will also automatically disable pop-up notification and hide status bar icon. In other words, when you receive a new notification when Do Not Disturb and the screen are on, your phone will hide the notification from the notification panel, doesn't show pop-up notification, and hide status bar icon of that notification. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.